Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, gold is trading at 2022, and as we can clearly see on the chart that we do not have a direction, as we discussed earlier also that this week we cannot expect a particular direction in the market. More or less we can expect a choppiness in the market, so as a result it is better to stick to the levels only. If you're planning to trade with a trending indicator like super trend moving average, then this is not the ideal market situation. So my dear friends, let's discuss the trading opportunities for Friday one by one. So first of all, let's look at the market sentiment. Gold heads for second weekly loss on strong US economic indicators. Gold prices edged higher on Friday but were on track for the second consecutive weekly fall as data indicating strong growth in the US economy kept the dollar firm. While focus shifted to a key inflation print due later in the day. We have a news coming up, but today also you cannot expect a complete trend reversal in the market. There will be some volatility, there will be some spikes in the market. So do not use a tight stop loss and be careful at the time of news. Okay. And if you look at the chart of dollar index, nothing much to discuss because we have been discussing about the DXY for the last couple of days and things have not changed at all. We can still see that DXY is trading inside a tight range. DXY either needs to come down to the range again. If that happens, things will be very boring again. And if DXY goes up, and to continue the upside it will have to break 104.50. I do not want to discuss any further because I will be boring you guys. Now go. So as you can see on the chart that I am on the hourly time frame, and the weekly closing will be important because this week was more or less indecisive. Okay, we did not have any particular direction, so yesterday, our levels worked nicely, and to be honest, I was a little bit surprised when I saw that FIBO was working perfectly at the time of news. I was not expecting FIBO to work at the time of news as well. So now we can see that this is the range, okay, 2024-25, and at the bottom 2010, or in simple words, this is the range of gold right now. So during the day, especially before the US session, because US session volatility, news coming up. So be careful and try to follow the trend of the market after news. Do not look for reversals. Okay. So before US session, especially during the Asian session and European session, if you see market going up, my dear friends, okay, you can observe the market around the area of 2026. 2027. Okay, observe the market around this area. If the volume of the market remains like this, market will not be able to go higher. And if that happens, you can look for a sell position, quick sell position around 2026, 2027. But during the European session, if market comes with volatility, or if you see that gold is going up with a big green candle, it means that market has volume, market has buyers, and you can look for a quick buy above 2027. Okay, 2027, do not expect much. 30 to 40 pips in this market situation is good enough. Okay, and your next selling opportunities on the chart of gold will be around 2031, 2032, and 2039 and 2040. 2032, 2031 because FIBO 78.6% retracement level, and 2039, 2040 because of the previous resistance around this area. Okay, so this is a resistance here. We have got good sellers sitting around this area, and in this market situation, in absence of news, I don't think so market will have the strength, buyers will have the power to break the level. If market reverses, we can look for a sell, and by next week, if market goes up, then we can look for a buy above 2040. That will be a different scenario. But as of now 203940 seems to be a strong resistance. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. Volume of the market will be very important because see one level, okay, one level from where we can take a sell also, from where we can take a buy also. isn't it? So volume of the market will be very, very important. So right now, for today, for Friday, keep your eyes on 203132, 203930, 2040. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. And if market breaks 2027 with heavy volatility, good buying, you can look for a quick buy above 2027 for 30-40 pips. Okay. And if you see the market is going down, okay, market is going down, then you can look for a sell below 2010, but keep in mind selling pressure is required. And if you see the market is coming down with small candles like these candles, then do not look for a sell, because there is a high chance that market will fail to go down and it will be a false breakout. If that happens, very, it will be pathetic. So 2009 2000, sorry, 2010, okay, will be an important level. So if you see that market is going down with big red candles, we can look for a sell below 210, and market will be heading towards 2000 level. Okay, today I do not have any buy limit, sell limit as of now, because market do not have much volume, and to be honest, I am not much convinced with the levels right now we have. And after news also, I don't think so market will be able to break the major range here, and I think market will close above 2000. Okay, market will close above 2000 and below 250. So this should be the range of goal after news also. If market goes up also, okay, it should reverse from here, and if it starts falling also, it should bounce from here. So 2050, 2000 is the ultimate range for gold for this week, and weekly closing should be between these two levels. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a Hindi analysis, they can subscribe to Hindi channel. The link will be in the description, because many of you request to post Hindi analysis, because my dear friend, try to understand one thing. See, I have been posting English videos on this channel for a long time, so it is not possible for me to change the language, because if I change the language to Hindi, then it will be a betrayal of trust, because not all understands Hindi. And as per the YouTube stats, okay, still 85% people are from outside India and do not understand Hindi well. So obviously, okay, changing the language is not the right option for me right now. So as a result, we have an English channel where my wife regularly posts updates before the US session. So you can subscribe to Hindi channel. And recently, and see, not recently, since yesterday, we have started posting on stock market as well, Indian stock market. So yes, it will be an additional help. Okay, so feel free to subscribe to Hindi channel. And I have already said that from next week onwards, okay, we will be having a weekly live session to clear doubts, answer questions on Instagram. So feel free to follow me on Instagram as well. Okay, I have been very inactive on other social media platforms, but yes, I am planning to be active. Okay, it is in my 2024 resolution. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.